When developing your applications, you often need to implement a counter to accurately track actions such as votes cast, the available quantity of a resource in an e-commerce store, or tickets available for an event. These counters must be updated as the resource quantity changes. When using a counter, you want it to be as accurate as possible, even in the situation when multiple concurrent processes are updating it. Loss of accuracy could be really painful and it could jeopardize your application and its reliability. In this video, I'm going to show you a way to implement counter by using DynamoDB transactions. And this is the most straightforward way to maintain a fully accurate counter with multiple concurrent client calls. Potential intermittent failures in DynamoDB is to use this method. And we will be using a client request token in this example. This example on your screen is an AWS CLI code that reduces the counter by 7 with a CRT or client request token. And the reason why I'm using from line 1 to 3 in AWS DynamoDB is that transactional rights in DynamoDB allow a client request token or CRT to be passed. Any value can be used for CRT, but it should be unique to the particular update being made, such as a random value generated by the client. Using this SDK will automatically generate and send a CRT. And then as you can see in the JSON format, I'm using my payload. And DynamoDB maintains an internal record of the CRTs of successful requests passed within the last 10 minutes. If the same CRT is seen again within 10 minutes, DynamoDB will skip the latest attempt and return a success response, providing full idempotency which we are seeking with the counters. If the client receives a 500 series failure, it can safely retry the operation with the same CRT and knows only one request with that CRT will apply within the 10-minute window. So I hope this was useful. If you're looking to implement counter with DynamoDB in your code, then I would suggest you go with the DynamoDB transactions by using something similar on your screen. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.